something that's just going to keep you stuck in the same symbiotic bubble. Automation without security is liability. I can, reduce my costs, increase my profit margin, and scale my business quicker. Let me tell you something that most entrepreneurs don't realize. You don't need more time. You need leverage, because right now, most people are answering emails manually, managing tasks manually, pushing operations manually, as well running operations manually is chaotic if you're still doing everything manually in 2026 when you truly think about it. And the worst part about that is that they call that still business. But here's the reality: if your business depends on you, you don't own the system, you own a job. So I ask myself a question: what if I could build an AI system that works 24/7, executes real tasks, run across my tools without hiring, without complexity, without infrastructure? Quick disclaimer before we go any further: this video is for educational, informational purposes only and should not be considered business, financial, or technical advice. I recently gave Pokee AI a try because this is one of the tools I've been hearing about for automating real workflows without complex setups. Now, let's be honest. Most people think AI is about chatbots, writing content, generating images, but that's surface level AI when you really think about it. There's more to AI, and the people running businesses in 2026 successfully knows this, right? I'm one of them. And we understand that the real bottleneck in business is execution, because even if you have ideas, have tools, have systems, you still need to do the work. And that's where most businesses completely slow down from my experience. You got to deal with admin tasks, research, emails, scheduling, coordination. It's tiring. It all stacks up, and eventually it becomes the bottleneck. So the real question isn't how do I use AI tools, it's how do I get AI tools to execute for me? Because that's the difference between using AI and building with AI. And using AI is something that's just going to keep you stuck in the same symbiotic bubble, right? But if you're using AI within your infrastructure, within your business, using it to scale, using it to grow, using it to systemize your operations, you're then building with AI. And I think that is where AI really becomes powerful. This is my opinion, and obviously this is not facts or anything. I think the people that are going to be really successful in business in 2026 and beyond are going to have to build with AI. And the people that don't build with AI are going to get left in the dirt. And it's up to you. You've got to choose what side you want to be on. And I think, again, if you are serious about scaling, if you are serious about growing something bigger than what you've got now, grow something that's going to be bigger in the near future, I think you really need to get used to using AI as a form of building with AI, as opposed to not having AI at all. That's just my opinion once again. I guess we will see throughout this video whether you agree with me or not. But anyways, I think this is where Pokee AI comes in truly handy. Pokee isn't just another AI tool, it's an AI agent. And that's the big difference. Instead of giving you outputs, Pokee executes tasks across your apps, your workflows, the web. Think of it like this. You tell it the goal, it plans, breaks it down, executes step by step. Truly powerful, right? And it does this across Gmail, Slack, Google Docs, Sheets, GitHub, Jira, and much more. So it's truly powerful and quite diverse when you really think about it. Now here's the part most people ignore: security. Because a lot of people don't talk about security. They don't think it's important. But let me tell you something about security. A lot of AI setups today are fragile, local, risky, but Pokee AI runs inside a secure sandbox environment. This means the following: your data is isolated, credentials are encrypted, actions can require approval and should require approval at this stage. If you're running a business, that matters, because automation without security is liability when you truly think about it. Let me show you what this actually looks like anyways. Let's say you want to automate reporting completely, and I mean completely, hands off in my opinion. Instead of manually pulling data, analyzing it, and formatting reports, you could give Pokee a prompt like this: analyze the Q3 sales data in this Google Sheet, cross-reference it with current market trends from the web, and generate a branded PDF report. This is what happens next, which is really powerful in my opinion. It pulls the data, analyzes performance, looks at external trends, structures insights, output a ready-to-use report. So instead of spending hours, you get finished output in minutes. Here's another way to look at this. Now let's talk about sales workflow. Most people are manually tracking leads, which is the sad truth still in 2026, updating pipelines and coordinating tasks. But you could automate automate this with a prompt like this. Monitor new leads coming into the CRM, qualify them based on predefined criteria, update their status and notify me via Slack when a high quality lead is identified. Or you can even do this. Every time a new lead is closed in the CRM, update the pipeline, log the revenue in Google Sheet and send the summary to the team. Now instead of managing your pipeline manually, the system runs itself like an assistant or a specialized accountant in a way. Pretty intriguing stuff. I agree. And beyond that, of course, you can also use this for email automation, scheduling, marketing workflows, recurring task automation. But the real power comes when you go deep on specific workflows like this. And here's something really important from my perspective as someone who's used AI tools for quite a while. Pokee uses up to 70% fewer tokens, which means lower costs, more efficiency, better scalability, which is what I like as always, because that means that I can, reduce my costs, increase my profit margin, and scale my business quicker. That's exactly the way I like to run my ventures. So, in my opinion, this is the shift. Most people are thinking, how do I work faster? Smart operators think like this. How do I build systems that work without me? I've always said this. My goal is to move myself from the operations of my business as soon as possible, because once you have done that, you don't scale effort, you scale output. Key distinction I think everyone needs to get to the grips of. Moreover, this isn't about replacing people, it's about removing bottlenecks, increasing efficiency, creating leverage. Because the future of business isn't doing more work, it's building systems that do the work for you. So if you're serious about automation, scaling your business, building systems, then it's worth exploring tools like Pokee AI today. And if you're ready to do that, you know exactly what you need to do. Check out the top link in my description as always. That will get you going with Pokee right away. And as always, as I get ready to round up this video, if you found this video helpful and useful, you know exactly what you need to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. I'll see you on the next video where we are of course going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship.